Have you ever felt like your dog was suddenly uncomfortable, but you couldn't figure out why? Maybe they moved away when you tried to hug them. Maybe they looked stressed during a loud moment. Or maybe they showed small signs that something was bothering them, but they couldn't actually tell you. Dogs communicate very differently from humans. They don't use words, they use behavior. And sometimes dogs tolerate things they secretly dislike simply because they trust their owners. In fact, many dog owners accidentally do things every day that their dogs hate, without realizing it. By the end of this video, you'll discover several common things dogs truly dislike, and one of them is something millions of dog owners do, thinking it shows love. And if you enjoy learning what your dog is really thinking, make sure you subscribe to BarkMind. On this channel, we explore the hidden psychology behind dog behavior so you can understand your dog on a deeper level. Now let's start with something many people believe dogs love, but most actually don't. The first thing many dogs dislike is tight hugging. Humans hug to show affection, but dogs don't naturally communicate that way. In dog body language, being tightly wrapped by another animal can actually feel like restraint or control. Some dogs tolerate hugs because they trust their owners, but others may feel uncomfortable or trapped. If your dog turns their head away, stiffens their body, or tries to move away during a hug, they may be telling you they're not enjoying it. The second thing many dogs dislike is loud noise. Dogs have incredibly sensitive hearing. Their ears can detect sounds far more clearly than human ears. This means things like fireworks, thunderstorms, loud music, or shouting can feel overwhelming for them. What might seem like a normal sound to us can feel extremely intense to a dog. That's why some dogs hide, shake, or become anxious during loud events. The third thing dogs often dislike is staring directly into their eyes. While eye contact can build bonding between dogs and their owners, intense staring can feel threatening in dog communication. Among dogs, prolonged direct staring can be interpreted as a challenge. This is why unfamiliar dogs sometimes react negatively when someone stares at them too long. With their owners, dogs usually understand the difference, but with strangers, it can create stress. The fourth thing many dogs dislike is sudden interruptions while sleeping. Just like humans, dogs need uninterrupted rest. If a dog is suddenly woken up while in deep sleep, they may become confused or startled. Some dogs even react defensively because their brain hasn't fully processed what's happening yet. That's why it's always better to gently call a dog's name or make a soft sound before touching them while they sleep. The fifth thing dogs dislike is strong or unusual smells. Dogs rely heavily on their sense of smell. Their noses are incredibly powerful, much more sensitive than ours. This means strong perfumes, cleaning chemicals, or certain scented products can feel overwhelming to them. Something that smells pleasant to us might feel extremely intense to a dog. The sixth thing dogs often dislike is inconsistent rules. Dogs thrive on clear structure and routine. If something is allowed one day but forbidden the next, it can confuse them. For example, if a dog is sometimes allowed on the couch but sometimes scolded for it, they may struggle to understand what behavior is expected. Consistency helps dogs feel secure because they understand the rules of their environment. And the final thing many dogs dislike is being ignored when they are trying to communicate. Dogs constantly send signals through body language. They may look at you, bring you a toy, sit near the door, or show small changes in behavior. When these signals are ignored repeatedly, dogs can become frustrated or confused. Understanding your dog's signals helps strengthen the bond between you and your pet. When you recognize what your dog likes and dislikes, communication becomes much clearer. The truth is, dogs are incredibly patient animals. They often tolerate things they dislike simply because they trust the people around them. But when we learn to understand their signals, we can create an environment where they feel more comfortable and secure. And that's one of the most important parts of building a strong relationship with your dog. If you enjoyed learning about the hidden psychology behind your dog's behavior, make sure you subscribe to BarkMind for more videos that help you understand what your dog is really thinking. And in the next video, we'll explore another fascinating question dog owners often ask: why dogs choose to sleep near their owner's feet. Because once you understand how dogs think, their behavior starts to make much more sense. See you in the next BarkMind video.